If you are new to this channel, go subscribe right now and press the bell icon as well for all the notifications. So, what's up guys, welcome to Petrolhead Paradise. First of all, I would like to apologize to everyone. I know videos are delayed so much. It's been 1 year that I'm not posting videos. Very big sorry to you guys. I was busy in something literally unavoidable, which was totally unavoidable. But now we are back on track and I'll be releasing new series on this channel, new episodes, new series. The name of this series is Guess the Car Challenge, episode 1.
Guess the Car Challenge.
We can do that also. The name of the series is Guess the Car Sound Challenge, episode number 1. In this series, my small bro is going to play the car sounds on his laptop, on my laptop. I am going to guess what car sound is it. Are you ready to guess what car sounds? What if you don't see a car and you hear the noise? Can you guess those car sounds? Let's see right now. It will be my test as well as your test. As well as your test. Let's begin. So car number 1. It's a JDM. No? What car is that? A BMW? No. Nissan?
No.
What car is that? No. What?
What is it?
Ha, play it again. Tarzan the Wonder Car? Okay, I'm not getting. If you're getting the answer, these are the poll. You can answer it here. Okay, man. Tell me, what car is that?
Audi RS4.
Audi RS4. Okay. That was a tough one because it was a little bit tuned, huh? Okay. Audi RS4. That was the Audi RS4. If you have guessed it, tell me in the comments below. Car number 2. Play it. Aston Martin? No? M5? The sound is aggressive, throaty. After you release the throttle, there are some crackles. Is it a V8? V8, okay. There are a lot of V8 cars. Italian, Alfa Romeo, Maserati. Italian, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, 8C, Lamborghini, Diablo,
No.
Countach. It's a V8. Okay, Urus. It's a V8. It's a Lamborghini Urus. Okay. Now car number 3. Let's begin. I know this car. There's explosion and pops. Those are my hunger. Nissan GTR.
Which GTR?
R35. R34. So are you guys ready for the car number 4? Let's begin. I heard a blow of valve. Supra. Guessed it so quickly because I am a Supra fan boy. I'm a very big fan of a Toyota Supra 2JZ engine. Tuning up a Toyota Supra with this big exhaust and disturbing the neighbors for my whole life. That's my dream. Okay, so are you guys ready for the car number 5? Oh. What is that? Is that a dog barking? The supercharged E92 M3. Guessed it right. Jaguar.
No.
It's a 6-cylinder. V12.
No.
V10.
5-cylinder.
5-cylinder. There are very less cars which are 5-cylinder. Okay. Audi RS3. Audi RS4.
It's an Audi.
It's an Audi.
Which Audi?
It's an Audi or it's an Audi? It's an Audi. Audi. It's an Audi. Okay, so it's an Audi. It's an Audi. It's an Audi. RS3, man. TTRS. Woo! Audi TTRS. Done. Car number 7. 7. Car number 7. Lamborghini, old Lamborghini. What is it, man? It's so difficult when you don't see cars and just hear the sound. F10 M5. Woo! Mustang. What is the car? Okay, that's my fail. Tell me, okay, if you guess it right, tell me in the poll here. Okay, man, tell me what car is that?
Mercedes E63 AMG.
Oh God, what year? Latest one or the old one? Okay, E63 AMG, huh? So, what is my score?
5.
5. Woo! I guessed right. So the score is 5 out of 7. We did 7 cars and the score is 5 out of 7. It's a good score, but still, for Petrolhead's Paradise, it's a very bad score. I have to learn to hear supercars. How many of you all guessed it right in all of them? Let me know in the comments below right now and tell me number 1, number 2, which you guessed it right and there are going to be even more episodes of this series, which is Guess the Car Sound Challenge. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit like and feel free to comment your experiences on this episode. And what do you feel about this series? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any new ideas, tell that even in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise. Bye bye guys, take care, make some noise. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind.